So here's how to unlock. So put in the last 4 digits of the phone number. So let's pretend the phone number is 1234. You could put 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have to turn this. So you turn it, and then you can enter like that. So I'll show you. So let's lock it. To lock it, you do like this. Now it's locked. Okay, stops blinking. Okay, now it's locked. So now to get in, then you would enter the numbers. Unlock it, and then push the latch. So like that. And then to lock it, you go like that. Once this stops blinking, then it won't move. So then you have to open it. Like that. Oops. There we go.